Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 565th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. They are non-sequential, so you can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post today is about DIY construction accounting errors and ways to improve your practices. Let's explore it. Many small construction business owners tend to handle their accounting and bookkeeping, especially when they've just started. However, keeping track of the finance side of the business, everything from income to expenses to tax compliance, can be overwhelming. Mistakes can happen quite quickly and can have costly consequences for your business. The following are 5 of the most common do-it-yourself accounting errors you should avoid. First, unorganized records. It takes excellent organizational skills to do your bookkeeping and accounting right. You must record every transaction, keep receipts, or digitize them for future reference, calculate taxes accurately, and more. If your records are not kept organized and updated, you'll likely miss something, which could get you into trouble during the tax season. Second, no accounting schedule. As a construction business owner, there are many other things you need to attend to, and accounting can easily be pushed to the bottom of your seemingly endless to-do list. Yet, setting an accounting schedule to add your recent income and expenses into your records is extremely important. If daily updating is not possible, at least dedicate some time once a week to do your accounting. Third, unreconciled accounts. Regularly check if your bank account reflects the same balance as you record your cash flow and other financial data in your books. If you find a gap, there is likely a mistake somewhere that you need to find, or even a fraudulent transaction. Taking immediate action will help you prevent worse problems further down the line. Fourth, failing to take into account small transactions. It can be easy to forget about minor transactions, such as the office supplies you picked up on your way to the office, or the freebie you sent a loyal customer. However, no matter how small you think the transaction is, keeping a record and getting a receipt is essential. In case of a tax audit, you will need to be able to present records of all business expenses, even these small ones. And fifth, not backing up data and using accounting software. Imagine if the laptop where you store all your financial data was stolen, lost, or broken beyond repair, and you don't have a backup. You need to redo everything from scratch, which could be a massive waste of time. If you're still using a spreadsheet or paper ledger to keep track of your business finances, you might consider upgrading to a cloud-based accounting software such as Xero or QuickBooks. By migrating to the cloud, you can easily back up your accounting data and access them wherever and whenever necessary. These cloud-based accounting systems integrate well with your bank account and other valuable construction business apps. The results are streamlined processes, less manual work, enhanced efficiencies, and better overall business performance. Spend less time on your books and more time on your business. While being aware of these common accounting mistakes could help you avoid them, the most convenient and efficient way to stay on top of your business finances is to entrust your accounting to the experts. Our team of experienced construction accountants can integrate the most suitable cloud accounting software for your business and even train your in-house staff on its proper implementation. I admit that small business owners like myself have learned to make the most of our resources. As an entrepreneur, I tend to take on the challenge of wearing multiple hats, managing your business, answering phone calls, responding to emails, and scheduling appointments. However, I am reminding you now that being a construction company owner and doing your accounting and bookkeeping requires a different skill set from being a construction expert in your field. When it comes to your financials, it would be wise to take a step back and let someone specializing in bookkeeping do it for you. Ensure that they are not just accountants or bookkeepers. They are construction bookkeeping and accounting professionals. Still contemplating whether to outsource or do it yourself? Here are the questions to determine which one is right for you. Do I have experience in bookkeeping and accounting? Outsource. Working with a knowledgeable and experienced bookkeeper specializing in your industry will save you time setting up your system and processes, making it easier to get started. DIY. You may have a bit of a learning curve. Start by familiarizing yourself with construction bookkeeping and accounting processes. Create a system and an everyday routine for managing your paperwork. Next, what kind of software and applications should I use? When you outsource, your construction bookkeeper will be able to help you determine which accounting software will work best for your business, provide you with an extensive training and support, and share tips and tricks on optimizing it. Fast Easy Accounting supports several different software and applications. In particular, QuickBooks or Xero for construction depends on how you get paid, the work your company does, and if you need job costing. When you DIY, this is where it gets tricky. As I have mentioned, using a particular software depends on your contracting business, what you need out of it, and how much time you are willing to devote to learning and using it. Remember that using more popular and in-demand software and applications has a significant advantage in case of issues. Tech support should be readily available. If not, a quick Google search can lead to video tutorials and community answers. How do I generate financial reports? When you outsource, contractor financial reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, cash, receivables, payables, job costing reports, and job profitability reports all depend on proper bookkeeping setup from day one. It's easy to pull a report based on the entries and use it whether you want to understand when and where you are making money, or you need to present your financials to the banker or CPA. When you do it yourself or DIY, it is easily accessed and generated from your accounting software. The real question here is, how reliable are your reports? For instance, a generic chart of accounts with your QuickBooks software is not customized to your construction business needs. Thus, transactions are often assigned to improper categories, resulting in inaccurate reports. Final thoughts. We offer construction bookkeeping and accounting solutions at our online store. We have QuickBooks and Xero setup templates for those who would like to do their own bookkeeping. We have packages available to choose from when you need to outsource it to us or opt to have an in-depth review of your current bookkeeping setup. Let us take charge of your books while you focus on growing your construction business. We help a little or a lot depending on your needs. I look forward to being able to assist you with any option that best fits your company. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Do you want to discuss growing your construction business this year? Or would you like to ask Sherry a question whether you can do it yourself or you would like to outsource your accounting, bookkeeping, or construction accounting to us? Please don't hesitate to contact her. Her phone number is 1-800-361-1770 or US phone line 206-361-3950. Those are direct access to her. You can also email her at Sherry, S-H-A-R-I-E, Sherry@fasteasyaccounting.com. And yes, of course, our promo code is still available for you to use for a 20% discount, whether you need a bookkeeping template because you would like to do it yourself, or you would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes so you'll know more about doing your bookkeeping. It's Podcast 20, PODCAST 20, Podcast 20. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.